His mind was sharp and clever, a revolutionary kind. He had the vision, and he had the knowledge to leave the old ways behind, how the tokens danced in the digital light, celebrating the find, the hidden potential of the blockchain, no longer confined. So he called up his friends, "Please bring your ideas." They said, "We haven't seen this spirit in many years." Projects rise in the evening, fueled by crypto-mite engineers and dreamers, working through the night with Bitsy's guidance, technology turning bright, and they say, "You haven't seen anything this right." And still those voices are calling from far away, wake you up in the middle of the night, just to hear them say, "Welcome to the world of Bitsy the crypto bear." Such a lovely place, such a lovely space, plenty of dreams in the BTC-SEC token-powered venture. Anytime you're here, you can find it near. Last thing I remember, I was joining the crew, trying to find the pathway to make dreams come true. "Relax," said Bitsy. "With BTCCC, you'll achieve more than you imagined. Together, we'll believe. Welcome to the world of Bitsy the crypto bear."